Hey guys, I'm back. It's Michelle. And earlier I did a video on how much I made in my first months. Actually, I think it was my first couple months. And I just kind of wanted to elaborate on that video because I know it was just really brief. So I gave this, story that I just I wanted to do something part-time. It was just it's my side hustle. I wanted to make a couple extra dollars, pay off some debt. You know, so I just decided to take my notary stamp. Like I said, I Googled how to make money with my notary stamp. And this loan signing agent title came up. I had really never heard of it before. So I started watching the videos, and again, like I said in the last video, hey, if they can do that, I can do that. It doesn't seem that hard, right? You just take a document, have somebody sign it, right? So believe me, it's not as simple as that, but it's not a hard gig to get into. So nonetheless, so just to elaborate a little bit more, I did sign up with on the National Notary Association's website, which is NNA. I went there, I signed up, I got the biggest packet, because one of the things that you'll find that you'll need, are these books here. This is your loan document source book, and I did a video on this being like your Bible, your notary Bible. And this study guide here, it's the Notary Signing Agent Certification Trainer Study Guide. This will help you pass your notary certification. I'm telling you, this book, as you see, I have tabs in it because I do study this book. If you're going to be good at your craft, you want to, study and learn what it is that your craft entails. This book is awesome. And again, you get, when you sign up with the biggest packet, you get both of these books. Trying to put it in the video. You get both of these books. With that, and then you get you get both of these books. You get your a notary journal that comes with you get access to the website. This is how you're gonna pass your test, your exam. This right here. Trust me, read that, study that. Pretty much the answers are coming from there. If you study it, you're gonna pass it. So nonetheless, I went to the NNA. I got the biggest packet, and signed up for them. Got my stuff on a Thursday, took my test, passed it on a Friday, got my certification, and then I signed up for SnapDocs. So SnapDocs is a platform that you would sign up for, and then you have to get what they call SnapDocs verified. So they verify all your credentials. So you'll need your notary bond, your errors and omission insurance, your background check, your notary certificate, and your bond, your driver's license. Those are things that you'll have to upload onto their website. Once they confirm everything, you'll be SnapDocs verified. That is a certification that you'll definitely want to have before you'll be able to go onto like other signing platforms like say Signature Closers or Sign in Order. So I got SnapDocs verified. I signed up for Signature Closers platform, and then I signed up for Sign in Order platform. I think I went to Notary Cafe, and I signed up for them. And those are the only three platforms really that I used. And so I signed up with them. The closers, I think they found me through Notary Cafe, and they contacted me. And that was my first signing. So I passed my test in September. October, I did my first signing. I think I had maybe 2 or 3 signings in October. Actually, I think I had, yeah. No, I had 2 signings in October. So those were my first 2 signings that I had. And in October, I had 2 signings. Yep. On my Notary Gadget, which is the accounting software that I use. So I'm just looking at that. Excuse me. So for the 2 signings that I had in October, I made $205. I just started. It was the end of October. 2 signings. I was a little nervous, and so that's probably why I only took 2 signings for that month, because it was at the end of the month. October 22nd was my very first one. All right. So I didn't make much money, right? But it was just 2 signings, $200 more than what I had before I did the signings, right? So now November came, and in November I was like, I'm stepping my game up, right? So I did 14 signings in the month of November. And remember, you know, you have Thanksgiving and the holiday in there, so I probably could have made a little bit more. Remember, I'm working a full-time job Monday through Friday, 8 till 4. So my signings that I got were after 4 p.m. and then a couple on Saturday. I didn't have any on Sunday. But through the week, and then maybe I did have a couple on lunch during my lunch breaks that were like right around my job. And so, you know, make an extra, you know, $90 on lunch. Okay, I'll do it. So I've done that. So again, I was only working with signature closers, sign in order, and like I said, I signed up for Notary Cafe, and the closers found me there. So I think I did 1 or 2, maybe. I think I only did 1 with them in November, but everything else was signature closers or sign in order. And again, I did 14 signings, and I made $1,300 part-time, side hustle money. You know, money I can pay off a bill, buy a bag. I mean, whatever you want to do with it. You know, it's just extra money. So, December came around. Again, I'm still only working with those 2 platforms in Notary Cafe. Excuse me. In December, I had, let's see here. I had 13 signings, and I made $1,100. So I did 14 and made $1,300. In December, I did 13 and I made $1,100. You know, because I think what happened is I took a couple more, you know, I did another signing. So these signings were, you know, they range, right? So I think that one month I had, in November, I may have had one that was like $150, where normally the average signing, I think, is usually about $90 in this area if you're just working for a sign-in service. So again, this is just sign-in service, extra money, part-time. If I can do it, you can do it too, okay? Again, signature closers, sign-in order, and I signed up on Notary Cafe, which I'm trying to think. I forgot how much I paid for that. But whatever I paid for, I made it right back because I got a closing from them, and I got my money right back. So you know, I'm not telling you to go out and pay to be on these different platforms, but I'm just telling you what worked for me. So I made my money back plus some. So first starting out, my average profit was low because, again, I had just started, you know, and I had my expenses like my printer, my paper, my toner. You know, you have to account for all of that. So that made my average profit, you know, go down to about $50. But still, when you can make an extra $1,000 a month, you know, you're making $90 an hour, $85, you know, an hour. Even if you take out your travel expenses, your toner, your paper, and everything, even if you want to cut that in half, I mean, just think about $40 an hour. most people don't make $40 an hour. I have an MBA, and in my main job, that my full-time job that I was working, I wasn't making $40 an hour. So, just think about that. If again, it's something really simple. Please get your notary certificate, your commission. Go ahead and get that. Sign up with NNA and pass and get your certification. Get SnapDoc verified. Sign up for these signing services. Like I said, Signature Closer, Sign and Order, and Notary Cafe were the three that I use. And that's how I made my money. There are hundreds of sign-in services out there. So just think, if you sign up for more sign-in services than the three, you could probably make double or more money than what I was making as a part-time loan signing agent. So I hope this is helpful. I just want to see you make it, girls, guys, everybody. I want to see everybody make it. So if there's something that I can help you with, if you have a question, I'd be happy to answer your questions. Hit me up. I'll put my email address in the description, or you can message me, however you want to do it. All right, but thank you so very much for stopping by my channel. Please like this video, share it, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I promise I'll make it worth it. I'll make it worth your while. All right, have a good day. Talk to you next time. Bye.